Hello, Memoneet warriors. Have you not solved a single MCQ so far? Have you not attended a single mock test so far? But still, this new year, do you want to take a resolution to crack NEET 2025? Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. With the New Year resolution study planner that we are creating, you will be able to attempt 36 tests starting from January 1 till April 30. So these are the days, guys. These are the days where the war is going to happen. These are the days where you're going to sacrifice your sleep and study. All I want is for you to consistently invest 8 hours to 10 hours every single day. Okay, you just have to blindly follow the free planner that is gonna be provided in the app. Okay, during the New Year sale, we will be giving this planner for free. Whoever purchases, and for all the paid users who have bought the plans before, this New Year planner will be sent to you by me. Okay, so why this planner will work? It is designed based on the time boxing technique. Okay, and also this 36 test, it is only possible if you have Brahmastra test series online or printed, because we have a lot of small part tests, and majority of our tests are just revision tests in our 26 part test. So it will be very easy for you to write these 36 tests in an effective way from Jan 1 to April 30. All you have to do is keep your New Year resolution to wear a white coat in the next 5 years. You have to become doctor. If that fire is running in your heart, you will take this New Year resolution planner seriously, and you will solve MCQs every day, and you will attempt at least 2 mock tests every week according to this planner, according to time boxing technique. All you have to do is to put 8 to 10 hours of study every single day. Okay, this planner will work. We have crafted it with so much precision. This New Year resolution study planner will work. If you are someone new and you don't have any plans in Memoneet, use the New Year sale and quickly grab your plans so that you can get access to this New Year resolution study planner for free. And this will definitely help you to crack NEET if you follow it seriously. Happy New Year once again, and see you all in medical college next New Year. Maybe we can celebrate New Year together.